We're here for our Enviroschools Ecological Building Professional Development with teachers today, out in the beautiful gully of Marion School. It's an afternoon where we're going to explore the new Ecological Building theme area, try some of the activities from the theme area, do some hands-on things. It's all about constructing, imagining, redesigning, looking at how we use materials to build and create, and basically having fun.
And thinking about if it's easy or hard to design for your needs. So some things might be really tricky, some things might be quite straightforward.
We've got thinking about who's going to use it, so it's going to be like garden or human. Selecting materials with consideration, making sure it's not going to ruin another animal's home habitat. The least disruption